How to add multiple tracks in Audacity. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple tracks in Audacity. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta do is open your Audacity application, and here you gotta click on File, and then you gotta click on New, and you can just start recording any of your file over here by clicking on this over here, and you can speak, and after that the specific file would be recorded, and you can just simply click on it and you can see that the file has been recorded. So the reason there are two files, audio files, is that one is from the left ear and the other is from the right ear. So both of these files play simultaneously in order for a better hearing. Now, if you really wish to add a new file, such as open a new file that is already on your device, so what you can do is click on File, then click on New, or you can create a new file over here. Or if you want any already existing file, you can simply click on File, click on Open, and then you can navigate where the file is right now. So you can simply navigate that file, and here is the file that I'm going to use, and here you can see that this is the file that you just uploaded. And now again, the reason there are two is one is from the right ear and the other is the left. Now if you wish to add any other file over here, so I'm just going to cross this one, the older one. Okay, so now you can see that this is the file, or this is the audio that I'm working on. So I'm going to cross this one as well. Okay, so now you can see that what you're going to do is you can select this file. For example, this is the file over here that I want to add. Like, I want to add multiple files, I want to add multiple audio files. So I'm just going to double click on it and drag that over here. So just click on over here, and now you can see that one is this file and the other is this file. Now I have two files right now. Now the reason this is long is because this one was a longer audio file and this one a smaller one. Like, you can see this is 1 MB and this is 700 KB. Now you can simply edit your files over here. Now you can click on Ctrl+Z in order to undo the last move that you just did. Now if you wish to add some more tracks, you can click on Track, you can click on Add New, and you can click on Stereo Track. And now over here you can just start recording any other track. Now for example, this is the audio already over here. Now if you wish to start recording a new audio over here, like you want to add multiple audio file on this specific audio file, what you're going to do is click over here, and you can just click on the selection tool, and after that you can just click here, and then you can start recording over here. Now you can see that it has picked the older file as well, like this file over here, because obviously these files would play simultaneously. You can't just eradicate this file and play this only, because these are simultaneously. So these files will work and play according to the way they are sorted. Now these files are at the same time, so these will play at the same time. You can also try dragging the file by the end of this file, with the end of this audio file, if you want the file to play after the specific audio file gets completed. So that was basically how you can add multiple audio files on Audacity. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.